Good evening. How's everybody today? What are you doing? Been out here pottering about. It's getting a bit late now. Bugs are already out here bothering me. But I've been made a little bracket for some cuttlefish. I bought some cuttlefish before, and you wire it to their branch so they can come up and get it. But there's so many of them, they like overnight it disappears. So this time I bought some real big ones, and I made a place for it to sit so they can't break it, I hope. But I put the camera right next to them so I could get some video of it so you could see and watch them get it. Too shy, the camera, and too shy. They're still not at it now, even with the camera gone. I fed them, so they're eating. They're looking at it. They'll probably wait till morning because they don't like to, anything changed, they don't like it. They have to wait before you can go touch it. So what's been happening here? Yesterday, there was a baby snake here. It was like 3 inches at a push. It was about literally 3 inches long, tiny little thing. I think it's not green, it was brown. But if you look at the back of its head, it looks like a tree viper, you know, the green tree viper. That pattern they have on the back of their head. So, but it's only 3 inches long. And I'm thinking, 3 inches long is very close. There must be a lot more around because a 3-inch snake doesn't travel far, does it? So I've been keeping an eye out, but I haven't seen any more. But I'm thinking, if it's a tree snake, Mom probably laid the eggs in a tree, and in a crutch or something, or in my plant that's hanging on the tree, and it fell out. So that means there could be 20 more of them. Keep an eye. Look how small this guy is. About 3.5 inches long. Little snake. This is a moth. I don't know if I can get that in focus. This is a moth that I found outside the workshop door. Not that big, but it's definitely different. It's got this little tail thing going on. It's very interesting. You know, I've been at this house for over 4 years now, and I'm always seeing something new. Just when you think you've seen it all before, something new pops up. When I put the cuttlefish in the aviary, I was thinking this is looking a bit tacky in there, so I got to clean the floor and maybe spray wash inside. And if I try to spray wash while they're in there, they're gonna go crazy. But it's just water, so if I'm careful, I can clean everything down, not make them too excited, because they got poop on the walls and stuff. So I've been thinking, you know, for a while, I've been wanting to do things but not feel comfortable to do them because I had too many things on my mind. Going to the hospital, dentist, everything's done now. And then I went to, had to do my visa again, so that's all done again. Some other things I wanted to do, and everything's done. So I think it's time to get on with the aviary because there's too many in there. And I want them to have a place to fly. They can fly now, but I mean like fly. So it needs to be at least twice the length. The width, okay, but I'm thinking like 3 meters. Right now it's 2.5 meters wide. So I'm thinking 3 meters minimum wide. You know, you got to make it to the width of the wire that comes off the spool, right? So I think 3 panels long, and right now it's like 4, so maybe make it like 6 or 7 panels long, or even more, because I want it to be at least like, you know, I don't know, maybe 6 meters long. So I was thinking, because then they could really fly. And then I could put stuff in there, you know, rockery, like I make a little rockery, a little fountain and things like that. So they can have things to keep them busy. But another thing I was thinking, do I move that one or build a new one? And I'm thinking, ideally, if I could lift it myself, I would probably move it and then add to it and then just have one aviary. But I think if I can build a new aviary, then the new big one, then the budgies can go in there. And I was thinking of getting some of them little tiny small finches and put them in there and let them go in the one next to the house, the one they're in now. That's what I'm thinking. Put some finches in. There's some like a tiger finch or something they're called. Really cute. A new project. But I feel like I can get on with it now. Mentally I wasn't there before, but now I am. So I think it's time to get on with it. But I'm going to sign off, guys, because I'm being eaten out here. I hope everybody's doing well. Look after yourselves. Buckets and rivers and all the very best. See you later.